What if I told you that becoming human wasn't about one gene, not a sudden mutation, not a single evolutionary upgrade, but thousands of tiny genetic changes stacked over millions of years? So, how did DNA turn apes into us? What in genes? Welcome back to my channel, where we unravel life's biggest mysteries written in your DNA. Today we're diving into humans' brain evolution. Evolution isn't just about new genes. When people think about evolution, they imagine new genes appearing. But here's the twist. Most human evolution didn't come from new genes. It came from how genes are regulated, when they turn on, where they turn on, and how long they stay active. Human traits, like intelligence, language, and creativity, are mostly polygenic, shaped by many genes with small effects working together. Evolution edited the instructions, not just the code. Once we sequenced the human genome and compared it to chimpanzees, Neanderthals, and Denisovans, we saw something shocking. Most of our DNA is shared, but the differences cluster around development and the brain, not only in protein-coding genes, but in non-coding regulatory DNA, the switches that control development. Small changes, massive consequences. The human brain didn't just grow bigger, it grew slower, deeper, and more complex. Genes like NOTH2NL, ARHGAP11B, SRGAP2, FZD8, and TBC1D3. These genes influence neural stem cell division, cortex expansion, and synaptic connectivity. Some of them are human-specific gene duplications, copies that only exist in our lineage. More neurons, more connections, more time to wire them. Humans develop slowly, very slowly. This delay, called Brady-Crony, gives the brain extra time to form complex circuits, adapt to experience, learn culture and language. Evolution traded speed for complexity. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Many genes that helped expand human cognition are also linked to autism, schizophrenia, and other neurodevelopmental disorders. Evolution didn't design a perfect brain. It pushed the limits and accepted the risks. Advanced cognition came with vulnerability. Where did we come from? Genetics confirms it. Modern humans originated in Africa over 300,000 years ago. From there, we migrated globally, interbred with Neanderthals and Denisovans, adapted to new climates, diets, and diseases. Our genome is a mosaic of migrations, mixing, and selection. No single origin story, no clean replacement, just complexity. How scientists study human evolution today? We don't just compare bones anymore. We use single-cell sequencing, brain organoids grown in labs, comparative transcriptomics, and high-throughput regulatory assays. These tools let us test what human-specific genes actually do, not just where they came from. Evolution is no longer just history. It's experimentally testable biology. Human evolution wasn't a straight line. It wasn't inevitable. And it wasn't driven by a single human gene. It was shaped by regulatory changes, gene duplications, population mixing, and cultural feedback loops. We are the result of genetic tuning, not genetic perfection. So the next time you ask, why are humans so different? Remember, evolution didn't rewrite our DNA, it remixed it. See you soon.